Why, when, and how to sell your business, the ultimate guide. Have you ever asked yourself, should I sell my business? When is the right time? How do I even start? If so, you're in the right place. Selling a business isn't just about putting a for sale sign up and waiting for offers. It's a strategic process, one that, if done right, can set you up for financial success and future freedom. Whether you're thinking about selling right away or just preparing for the future, the decisions you make right now will determine how smooth and profitable your exit will be. And in this series, we're breaking it all down. Let's start with the big questions. Why should you sell? Is it about retirement, burnout, new opportunities, or cashing out at peak value? Your motivation matters more than you think. When should you sell? Timing can be the difference between a massive payday and a missed opportunity. We'll talk about market trends, financial readiness, and when buyers are most active. How do you sell? Listing your business isn't like selling a car. You need a strategy. Valuation, marketing, negotiations, legal paperwork. Each step is crucial for a successful exit. And here's the truth. Most small business owners delay selling because they feel unprepared. They don't know their numbers, they don't know where to find buyers, and they're afraid of leaving money on the table. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. That's exactly why I created this series. In this series, we're diving deep into every aspect of selling your business, from valuation to negotiation tactics. And it all starts here, figuring out if your business is even sellable. In the next video, we'll cover how to evaluate if your business is ready to sell, what buyers look for, and red flags that scare them away, how to increase your business's value before selling. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss this. Selling your business the right way can be life-changing. Let's make sure you do it right. If you are interested in learning more about how to sell the business and how other people like you successfully did it, visit our free platform newowner.me. Link is in the description below. Subscribe and comment with your biggest question about selling your business. I'll see you in the next video.